Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to go over some Christmas embellishments that I have been working on. So there's these little deer heads. I just did, let me keep my hand down so it doesn't blur. So I just did 3 layers of circles, different circles. I had to use my dies because my circle punch, I didn't have enough that like they would layer on top of each other. And then I did like a sloppy circle stitch on the edge and some thread behind the deer head and then a little flower from AliExpress. And I did it in like a white glitter. These were 1000% inspired by I Am Absolutely Alice on Instagram. She posted some like red version ones. So of course I had to stick with the pink theme. I did some of the heads in like a gold glitter. And then all the other ones are white. And this was like a perfect way to use up all the scraps that I had from all my projects. As you can see, I went crazy, made a bunch of them. Perfect little embellishments, stick 2 in a pack and send them on their way. Next are these guys. You saw my video on how to make these, just layering dies. So many goodies. I love these. These are so sparkly in person, like I can't. I'll post the video down below for this guy. These are just like a perfect touch to add to anything, I feel like, a snowflake, no matter what color you're working with. And then these guys, had a little assembly line going on. I was making all sorts of little boxes. This is that Alina Cuddle present, like 3D present box die. Super cute. I love, love, love this. I love these little presents. Once they were all done, I was like, oh my God, how cute are these? Next are these deer heads. This is that clearance Hobby Lobby punch from I want to say last year. It's like a 3-inch deer. So I just cut it out in 110-pound cardstock and then put my colored paper on top of it. This is like a shimmery pink with white pearl, like pearl trim from Hobby Lobby. And these little flowers are from Hobby Lobby as well. Then the white version, you can barely tell, but these pearls are pink in comparison to these white ones. And then like a darker pink on the head. And these are 3 inches tall. The cute little sturdy embellishments. And then you guys have seen this guy. Let me get the different color. So cute. You've seen him, I think, twice now in a video. These are just, as you can see, I made several of them. One's in gold, one's in silver. Super cute. And one's more of like a Santa baby pink, and this one's like a brighter pastel pink, if that makes sense. So cute. I'm obsessed with this little bow die. I'll link this die down below, this video down below, this die down below. And then these are, you guys saw me haul that cottage cut Santa hat. So this is it. I cut it out in glitter. Hold on. Where's the light? Like a chunky, I was using a scrap piece of chunky glitter paper and I was able to make 4 of them with the like the scraps that people usually throw away. I was able to cut 4 Santa hats from it. So I just did like pink and then that chunky glitter. And I'm just going to leave them like this. I thought about adding like a holly berry on the side, but I didn't have one small enough that would look good with the size of this hat. Next are these snowflakes. I cut them out in different like glitter paper, silver, white glitter paper, some pink scraps, with some have patterns, some don't. You can kind of not tell. But these are the 2 different, let's see if I can. So these are the 2 different snowflakes. Oh, wait, no, this one looks different. I can't, which one's different? Maybe this one. This and this. Okay, so these are the 2 snowflakes this is the die I'm giving away. If you guys haven't checked out my giveaway video, you could win this. And it's those 2 dies right here. It's actually the same exact size as the picture. So actual size shown. I'll link that down below. And then last but not least, my friend Christina gifted me this Tonic Studios die that they have been having at Tuesday morning. They also have a AliExpress version of this, but I have the real one. So here is my Miss Santa, Mrs. Claus. I just went through her hair and did like gray strokes with like a light gray marker that I have. And I did everything in pink because I like pink and I'm doing all pink Christmas this year. So that's her. And then here's the Santa. And I just did his hand aiming down because it's hiding behind her, I guess it's on her shoulder. So I was like, okay. Look how cute. Look at the like dainty little glasses, you guys. And for the eyes, it did come with a die, but it was so tiny. I'm like, by the time I even cut that out, I don't even know where it's gonna be. So I just used a black permanent marker on all of the eyes. And I did some gray markering? Is that even gray coloring? In his beard as well. Look at his little eyebrows. These are super cute. Okay, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.